Hey guys, I hope you're well. Yeah, so today we're just going to look at a quick vid on evaluating trig functions. So your cos, your sine, and your tangent. Okay, so I'm going to use Numpy for that in Python anyway. Okay, cool. So on a side note, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you guys do subscribe to my channel. So if you like what you see, please do subscribe. Okay, cool. So let's get started. So I'm going to type in evaluating trig functions. Okay, so so that is cos, tan, and sine. Okay, cool. So another comment again. Please do subscribe. Cool. Right, cool. So let's get started. Right. So from Numpy, import, and then star. Okay. And then what I need to do now is crack on with it and evaluate things. So for x in range 0 to 21, right, it will finish at 20 anyway. So here we are. So print, okay, my string is going to be cos, and then x, okay, and then another string again equals, okay, and then evaluating that, so I'll type in round, okay, cos x, right, to 6 digits, I think. Yeah, 6 will do. Right, and then another string, and so this time it's going to be the sine function, so sine, okay, and then x again, right, and then we have another string that's equal, okay, and then round sine x, okay, I'll go for 6 digits. So round is just rounding up to six decimal places. Okay, and then the final part, that's going to be the tan part. So tan is a string, okay, and then x, sorry, yeah, x, yeah, and then another string as well. So that's equal, okay, and then round tangent. So tan x to 6 decimal places. Okay, and then yeah, I think that'll be it. So let me just double check that everything looks all right. The commas need to be where they need to be. Okay, yeah, that looks all right. Cool. So there we are. So then it evaluates that. Okay, so the 6 decimal places. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, cool. So yeah, it was just a quick vid just to show you how to evaluate the tan functions, the sine function as well, and the cosine. Okay, cool. So on the side note, guys, thanks for watching, and have a lovely day. Lovely day, and please do subscribe for more videos. Right, bravo, cheers, bye bye.